Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase B2B leads with Salesforce, full guide step by step clear. To increase B2B leads with Salesforce, start by defining your target audience. Identify the industry segments that align with your business goals. Create detailed buyer personas to understand customer pain points and needs. Next, set up your Salesforce account if you haven't already. Customize your Salesforce dashboard to fit your specific sales processes. Utilize the Leads tab to manage incoming prospects efficiently. Integrate your website forms with Salesforce to capture leads automatically. Implement lead scoring to prioritize high-quality leads. Leverage Salesforce campaigns to create targeted marketing initiatives. Use email templates within Salesforce for consistent communication. Segment your leads into different lists based on their attributes. Employ Salesforce reports to analyze lead performance metrics. Explore Salesforce App Exchange for additional tools that can enhance lead generation. Consider using Pardot for advanced marketing automation features. Regularly engage with leads through personalized follow-ups. Monitor lead interactions and behavior using Salesforce tracking tools. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather from data analysis. Train your sales team on how to use Salesforce effectively for better results. Encourage collaboration between your sales and marketing teams. Utilize Salesforce workflows to automate repetitive tasks and streamline operations. Continuously refine your lead generation strategies based on market trends. Stay updated with Salesforce features and best practices to improve your processes. Focus on building strong relationships with leads to foster trust and conversion. Implement feedback loops to learn from leads that didn't convert. Evaluate your lead generation methods regularly to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to increasing B2B leads with Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.